Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add to favorites in Vinted. So what we'll need to do is basically scroll through. Right here you eventually will see a heart emoji or just a heart icon, and basically if you want to favorite that item, what you'll need to do is just click like that, and you'll see your heart icon will turn red inside. So that means you favored this listening, and basically you can look that if you click right here on the heart. As you can see, if you click right here, you'll see your favorited items. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you see favorite items, and that's how you favorite a listening. So if you click again on random, let's say I will click on these glasses, and if I'm looking inside right here and want to like save it and favorite, so I just click on that one and you'll find that in favorited. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.